What's up, guys? Dave with Fixin' for Fun. Today we're working on my 1997 Polaris Ultra. So I got this sled probably 10, 12 years ago with the idea of I was going to ride it. I have another couple sleds, and we used to live on the main snowmobile trail and said, let's go. And life caught up with us. We've got a couple kids now, moved, and I just don't use it. We haven't had the snow we used to get. So she's going to get cleaned up and go down the road. So we've got a few little things we want to do to this, get it in tip-top shape for the next owner, and send this baby down the road. So let's get cracking. And what we're going to do, put just a little bit of gas down each cylinder. Mostly because if you've ever pulled one of these over, you'll know I'm dumping gas. They pull extremely hard. And since she's been sitting, there is a need for gas, and I don't feel like pulling my ears off. Not pull anyway, so. You really take electric start for granted. Until you have to use a recoil. This is an awful lot like work. Okay, let's get some doors open. Well, that's not a good sound, gentlemen. That sounds to me like that just locked up. Okay, so it ran for a few minutes and then she died. So I think that it's officially junk. I think this is... It spins. I mean, it's tight. Something's going very... Sounds like the top end is gone. Oh yeah. It's not supposed to make those noises. Well, guys, that one did not go as I was hoping for. I was hoping I'd be able to get it running and sell it on Marketplace for a profit. Looks like I'm going to be selling it at scrap value or parts pricing, so... Can't win them all, I guess, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be out of my way and I won't have to move it again once it's gone. So, if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.